come back to Helper Dad. Connecting your custom domain to your Podia website is a great way to establish a professional online presence for your brand, and this guide will walk you through the process. First, you need to prepare your Podia site. Make sure your Podia plan supports custom domains. Then access your domain settings by navigating to Settings and then Domains in your Podia dashboard. Enter your full domain name, such as yourdomain.com, into the designated field and save the changes. You'll need to obtain Podia's DNS records. After saving your domain, Podia will display the specific records you need, typically an A record and a name record. The A record points your domain to Podia's server IP address, while the name record points a subdomain, usually www, to your Podia subdomain. Be sure to note the specific values provided by Podia for each record, such as the IP address for the A record and the Podia subdomain for the name record. Now, it's time to update your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, and find the DNS Management or DNS Zone Editor section, typically located in your domain settings. Carefully add or edit the DNS records as follows. For the A record, set the type to A, the name or host to @ or leave it blank depending on your registrar, the value or points to as Podia's provided IP address, and the TTL to the default value of 3600 or auto. For the name record, set the type to name, the name or host to www, the value or points to as your Podia subdomain, for example, yoursite.podia.com, and the TTL to the default value of 3600 or auto. Remember to save all DNS record changes. Finally, you'll need to verify the connection. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take 24 to 48 hours to propagate globally. You can return to the Domains section in your Podia settings to see if Podia has verified the connection. Additionally, you can use online DNS checkers like whatsmydns.net to confirm that the DNS records have updated correctly across different servers. After the propagation period, test your website by visiting your domain in a web browser to ensure it loads your Podia website. In conclusion, connecting your domain is a significant step in improving your brand's image and enhancing the user experience. It's essential to allow adequate time for DNS propagation and double-check all values for accuracy. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact Podia support or your domain registrar's support for help. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.